Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor Classes, and in this particular video I am going to discuss how you can use dictionary to store the frequency of each element present in an array or in a list. Okay, suppose I am having one list of num1, okay, and the elements are 1 1 2 3 2 and 5 7 5. Okay, so if you calculate the frequency of the elements, see 1 is appearing how many times? See, 1 is appearing here once, and that's only, right? 1 is appearing 2 times. 2 is appearing how many times? Here once, 2 times. Okay. 3 is appearing how many times? Only 1 time, right? 5 is appearing how many times? 5 is appearing 2 times. 7 is appearing 1 time. Just randomly I have taken. Let us just check whether we have done correctly or not. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, correct. So this is what is our frequency of each numbers. Okay. And these numbers are basically distinct elements of our input list. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. And corresponding frequencies are these. Now dictionary can be used widely in many competitive programming, and one of the major advantage of dictionary is in this application. Okay, suppose you want to store the frequency of each distinct number in the array, you can use dictionary. Okay, see how simply you can put this distinct element as keys, because you know in dictionary keys cannot be repeated, and the corresponding values as the frequency of the corresponding element. Okay, see how, what is the code you can write? Simple. Suppose I am writing first num1 as this one. Okay, I am just copying and pasting here, and then for let me define one dictionary as empty dictionary dict1. Okay, using this, you know, we can define empty dictionary, and then for suppose num in num1, we will traverse in our this input list. Okay, then each time we will check whether the particular element here, that particular integer, is present in our dictionary or not. If it is present in our dictionary, then we will increment the count value corresponding to that particular key, else we will put that key value pair where key is the number and value will be 1, because first time it is inserting, right? So if num in dict1, if it is present, what we will do, we will increment the value corresponding to the number by 1, because it will appear once more time, that is we have to increase the frequency. So what we will do, dict1 of num equal to dict1 of num plus 1. We are just incrementing the value part. Okay, and if it is appearing for the first time, what we will do, we will put the new key value pair, so dict1 of num equal to 1. That's all. Okay, so let us check whether it is working for our this particular test case or not. I have just simply run the code, and if I write dict1 and print that, I will be getting 1 2 3 5 and 7 as my key of the dictionary, and values as 2 2 1 2 1. Here you can cross verify manually also, we got 2 2 1 2 1. Okay, so like this dictionary can be used to store the frequency of distinct numbers or elements present in the list. Here the elements need not be integer, it may be string also, and using this particular concept we can solve lots of programming questions. I will be continuing and showing lots of examples which type of questions may appear frequently in placement and interview questions. Those type of questions we will take and solve this using this particular concepts. Okay, so this is all for my this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment, and if you have not subscribed our channel till now, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you for watching.